Modern black concrete homes represent a bold shift in contemporary architecture, blending raw material honesty with refined luxury. These homes stand out through their dramatic presence, sculptural forms, and confident use of darkness as a design statement rather than an absence of light. Black concrete amplifies shadows, highlights textures, and creates an emotional experience that feels both grounded and avant-garde. As a home and building design content creator, I'm fascinated by how these structures challenge traditional ideas of warmth and comfort while delivering spaces that feel calm, powerful, and timeless. Before we explore these striking architectural ideas, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below about which architectural style inspires you most. Your support helps this channel continue exploring exceptional design stories from around the world. Black concrete is redefining modern homes because it merges minimalism with emotional depth. Unlike lighter materials, black concrete absorbs light, creating bold silhouettes and sharp contrasts against the sky and landscape. Architects are drawn to it for its ability to express strength, permanence, and sophistication without excessive ornamentation. This material also allows homes to feel monolithic and sculptural, almost like inhabitable artworks. In residential design, black concrete communicates confidence and intention, signaling a departure from conventional suburban aesthetics. Homeowners who choose this approach often seek uniqueness and architectural identity, valuing atmosphere over trends. The result is a modern home that feels grounded, expressive, and deeply connected to contemporary design philosophy. Dark architecture, especially when executed with black concrete, evokes powerful emotional responses. Rather than feeling cold or oppressive, well-designed black concrete homes often feel calming, introspective, and protective. The darker palette reduces visual noise, encouraging focus on form, proportion, and spatial flow. Shadows become an active design element, changing throughout the day and giving the home a dynamic quality. This emotional resonance is one reason modern black concrete homes appeal to creatives, architects, and design enthusiasts. The architecture becomes a retreat from overstimulation, offering a sense of refuge and clarity, while still making a bold visual statement in its surroundings. Texture plays a critical role in preventing black concrete homes from feeling flat or monotonous. Architects often experiment with board-formed concrete, bush-hammered surfaces, or smooth polished finishes to create tactile interest. These textures interact with light and shadow, revealing subtle variations that bring warmth and depth to the dark material. When sunlight grazes textured black concrete, it highlights imperfections that add character and authenticity. Inside and out, texture becomes a silent storyteller, expressing craftsmanship and intention. This layered approach ensures that black concrete homes remain visually rich and engaging, even with a restrained color palette. Modern black concrete homes often rely on minimalist forms with strong geometric clarity. Clean lines, sharp edges, and bold volumes define these residences, allowing the material itself to take center stage. The dark exterior enhances the silhouette, making the home appear sculpted rather than constructed. This approach aligns with modernist principles, where simplicity and function guide design decisions. By stripping away unnecessary details, architects allow proportion and spatial composition to shine. The result is architecture that feels confident, intentional, and timeless, standing as a powerful visual anchor within its environment. Despite their bold appearance, black concrete homes can blend seamlessly with natural landscapes. When placed among forests, mountains, or rocky terrain, the dark material echoes natural shadows and earth tones. This creates harmony rather than contrast, allowing the home to feel embedded in its site. Architects often pair black concrete with native vegetation, gravel, and natural stone to enhance this connection. Large openings frame views of nature, softening the severity of the material. The result is a home that feels grounded, respectful of its surroundings, and deeply connected to the land it occupies. In urban settings, black concrete homes draw inspiration from industrial architecture and adaptive reuse. The material references warehouses, factories, and infrastructure, giving residential spaces a raw yet refined aesthetic. This industrial influence resonates with city dwellers who appreciate honesty in materials and bold architectural expression. Black concrete complements steel, glass, and exposed structural elements commonly found in urban design. Together, these materials create homes that feel contemporary, resilient, and deeply connected to the city's architectural DNA. In dense environments, black concrete homes stand out as modern sanctuaries amid urban chaos. Light is essential in black concrete homes, acting as a counterbalance to the dark material palette. Architects carefully design openings, skylights, and courtyards to bring daylight deep into the interior. When light enters a dark concrete space, it becomes more dramatic and intentional. The contrast between light and shadow creates visual interest and enhances spatial perception. Rather than flooding spaces with uniform brightness, black concrete homes celebrate controlled illumination. This thoughtful use of light transforms darkness into an asset, shaping atmosphere and guiding movement throughout the home. Inside modern black concrete homes, interior design focuses on balance and warmth. Natural materials such as wood, leather, and textiles soften the hardness of concrete. Neutral furnishings allow the architecture to remain the focal point, while subtle color accents add personality. Open-plan layouts enhance spatial flow, preventing interiors from feeling enclosed. Designers often use warm lighting temperatures to create a welcoming ambience. These strategies ensure that black concrete interiors feel livable, comfortable, and inviting while maintaining their dramatic architectural identity. Black concrete homes can be surprisingly sustainable when designed thoughtfully. Concrete's thermal mass helps regulate indoor temperatures by absorbing and releasing heat slowly. This can reduce reliance on mechanical heating and cooling systems. When combined with proper insulation, shading devices, and passive design strategies, black concrete homes perform efficiently in various climates. Additionally, long-lasting materials reduce the need for frequent maintenance or replacement. Sustainability in these homes is not just about technology but about durability, longevity, and responsible material choices that stand the test of time. Many modern black concrete homes embrace monolithic design, appearing as solid, unified forms. This approach reinforces architectural identity and creates a strong visual presence. Monolithic homes often feel protective and grounded, offering a sense of security and permanence. The absence of visible joints or decorative elements enhances this effect. This architectural strategy appeals to homeowners who value clarity, strength, and bold expression. A monolithic black concrete home becomes instantly recognizable, standing as a personal statement of taste and design philosophy. Courtyards and void spaces are common features in black concrete homes, introducing light and air into dense forms. These spaces create moments of pause and reflection within the architecture. Surrounded by dark walls, courtyards feel intimate and protected, enhancing the connection between interior and exterior. They also improve natural ventilation and daylighting. By carving voids into solid masses, architects balance heaviness with openness. This interplay between solid and void defines the spatial richness of modern black concrete architecture. Black concrete homes often favor introverted architecture, prioritizing privacy without sacrificing quality of space. Minimal street-facing openings and solid walls create a sense of seclusion. Inside, spaces open toward private gardens, courtyards, or views. This approach responds to contemporary desires for refuge and personal space. The dark exterior reinforces the home's protective character, while interior openness ensures comfort and livability. Introverted black concrete homes feel like personal sanctuaries, shielding occupants from external noise and distraction. Luxury in black concrete homes is expressed through restraint rather than excess. High-quality materials, precise detailing, and thoughtful spatial planning define the experience. Instead of ornate finishes, luxury emerges from proportion, light, and craftsmanship. The simplicity of black concrete allows subtle design decisions to stand out. This understated approach appeals to those who value quiet sophistication over visual clutter. In these homes, luxury feels timeless, intentional, and deeply rooted in architectural integrity. Shadow becomes a storytelling element in black concrete architecture. As the sun moves, shadows shift across surfaces, revealing textures and forms. This dynamic quality makes the home feel alive and responsive to time. Architects use overhangs, recesses, and layered volumes to choreograph shadow play. The dark material enhances this effect, creating high contrast and depth. Living in a black concrete home means experiencing architecture as a changing narrative rather than a static object. Glass plays a crucial role in balancing the heaviness of black concrete. Large glazed openings create transparency and visual lightness. Glass blurs boundaries between inside and outside, softening the monolithic character of concrete volumes. At night, illuminated interiors glow against dark exteriors, creating a striking visual contrast. This combination of solid and transparent materials defines many iconic modern homes. Together, black concrete and glass create architecture that feels both powerful and open. Black concrete is not limited to large luxury residences. Small-scale homes and compact dwellings also benefit from this material's strength and efficiency. In smaller projects, black concrete emphasizes clarity and simplicity. Clever layouts, multifunctional spaces, and strategic openings prevent compact homes from feeling heavy. These designs prove that dramatic architecture is not dependent on size. Even modest black concrete homes can feel bold, refined, and architecturally significant. Cultural context plays a significant role in shaping black concrete homes. Japanese minimalism, for example, influences many designs with its emphasis on simplicity, shadow, and material honesty. Scandinavian restraint and brutalist heritage also inform contemporary interpretations. These cultural influences enrich the architectural language, creating homes that feel globally inspired, yet locally grounded. Black concrete becomes a canvas for expressing cultural values through form and space. One advantage of black concrete homes is how they age gracefully over time. Weathering, patina, and subtle discoloration add character rather than detract from appearance. Unlike painted surfaces, concrete does not peel or fade dramatically. Proper detailing ensures durability and longevity. Homeowners who appreciate authenticity often embrace these changes as part of the home's story. Black concrete architecture matures with time, becoming richer and more expressive as years pass. Art and furniture stand out dramatically within black concrete interiors. Light-colored furniture, sculptural pieces, and curated artworks create striking contrast. The dark backdrop allows individual elements to shine without visual competition. This gallery-like quality appeals to art collectors and design enthusiasts. Carefully selected pieces enhance the spatial experience, turning interiors into curated environments. Black concrete homes often feel like living galleries, where architecture and art coexist seamlessly. Concrete's mass provides excellent acoustic performance, reducing external noise and enhancing privacy. In black concrete homes, this contributes to a sense of calm and tranquility. Acoustic comfort is further enhanced through thoughtful interior finishes, furnishings, and spatial planning. High ceilings, layered spaces, and soft materials balance the hardness of concrete. The result is an environment that feels serene, controlled, and comfortable, despite its bold aesthetic. The future of black concrete architecture points toward increased experimentation with form, technology, and sustainability. Architects are exploring new concrete mixes, pigmentation techniques, and prefabrication methods. Integration with smart home systems and renewable energy solutions continues to grow. Black concrete homes are evolving beyond aesthetics, becoming intelligent, efficient living environments. This evolution ensures their relevance in future architectural discourse. Architecturally distinctive black concrete homes often hold strong investment value. Their uniqueness, durability, and design integrity appeal to niche markets and discerning buyers. High-quality architecture tends to age better than trend-driven design. As demand for unique modern homes increases, black concrete residences stand out in competitive markets. For homeowners and investors alike, these homes represent both lifestyle and long-term value. A common misconception is that dark homes feel cold or uninviting. In reality, thoughtful design transforms darkness into warmth and comfort. Proper lighting, material balance, and spatial flow are key. Black concrete homes demonstrate that darkness can be calming rather than oppressive. Dispelling these myths helps broaden appreciation for bold architectural choices and encourages more adventurous design thinking. Modern black concrete homes offer valuable lessons for designers and builders. They emphasize clarity, material honesty, and purposeful design. These projects show that restraint can be more powerful than excess. By focusing on proportion, light, and context, designers can create emotionally resonant spaces. Black concrete architecture challenges conventional norms and inspires innovation across residential design. Modern black concrete homes redefine residential architecture through bold expression, material integrity, and emotional depth. They prove that darkness can be elegant, inviting, and timeless when designed with care. From dramatic silhouettes to serene interiors, these homes offer a powerful alternative to conventional design. If you enjoyed exploring these striking architectural ideas, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your thoughts on black concrete homes. Your engagement supports this channel and helps us continue showcasing inspiring architecture from around the world.